Well, it's June the 9th, and I'm still opting into paddle boating for my exercise instead of bicycling. Here in Virginia, we're still having new cases being identified. It's dropped some, but it's not dropped significantly yet. And they've opened the greenways, and since they opened the greenways, there's been some protesting going on in all of our local towns, like most of the country. We're also not going into metropolitan areas. Thought I'd just share a little bit of what my paddle boating for today might surprise us with. So the boat traffic is it's been pretty solid. That's a big wakeboard boat. Wakeboarding is a real popular thing here, and those boats have bladders in them that actually create a push-up wake where the person they're towing can actually surf those waves behind it. They're a lot of fun. They also create huge wakes when they come up in the coves that can be kind of destructive to people's riprap and their dock structures. I'm paddling into a pretty good little headwind right now too. So I'm getting a good amount of resistance. You can see the ripples in the water. Non-stop pedaling. It's almost like a recumbent bike. Oh, look there. Guys, this is unusual to see. Alright, you see that barge right there? Remember we had floods like 2-3 weeks ago, and the trash in the lake has been terrible. So that right there is the skiff that goes along and cleans up all the garbage, and boy, you can see. I'll add in some of that footage I had of the garbage that was floated up around our dock. I'll enlarge that so you can see how much is on that thing, because I bet you can't tell it from now, but boy, it's a huge pile. Remember, this is a Tuesday, so we've got like a bass boat there, 2 jet skis, and then just a regular cruiser. All out on the water today. I think that might be that same wakeboard boat. You can see they go pretty slow, and then they put out this huge wave. And you're basically just surfing that wave. The wind's getting harder, with like these waves that are going to hit me from the swell from the main channel. But it gives you a good workout. You can see. And I'm still paddling non-stop. And here comes the swell from the wakeboards boat. You can see it coming at me. But here it comes. See the wave? Watch it on the shore. Here comes the wave. There's usually 3 to 4. You can see this is going to be a big deal for me to go over in this paddle boat. See there? You can see it over that way. The way that you pedal on this, you still get engagement of your abdominal muscles and your legs, including your upper legs. And you can tell how fast I'm going. Watch. did not take off the solar panel and hook up the depth finder because the speedometer on it doesn't work anyways. I think I'm probably going about 3-ish miles an hour in the water. Maybe 4. You guys tell me in the comments what you think it looks like miles per hour wise. I'm also interested to know if any of you all have done anything similar for a exercise routine where you're using some kind of paddling, whether it's kayaking, paddleboating, and what benefit did you get from your water exercise routine compared to a land-based exercise routine? I'll probably keep mixing it up, you know, because I noticed there's a difference for me in the different muscle groups that I use, whether I'm using my regular road bike versus doing the paddle boating. So drop me a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. I've been going 36 minutes. I try to aim for about 45. I've already, in that 36 minutes, I've burned 206 active calories with a total of 289 calories, and my heart rate is at 101 right now. So I feel like it's a good alternative when the biking is just not optimal. I do better with something like this than I do with like walking, say, because of my knees. For those of you guys that haven't heard that story before, I'm coming off of almost a year of therapy and then sustaining myself range of motion wise from arthritic type issues with my knees. It's kind of a cool thing right there. Watch the waves on that tree that's down in the water. Makes it almost look like it's swimming. I got it back and moored up all by myself.
Hiya, Girl Scout Cookie here. Hope you enjoyed the water biking paddle boat update from Memaw. And please hit like, subscribe, and notify, and stay safe. Be healthy. Bye-bye.